Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you can change the font of a text box in your side projects on Framer. So let us dive into this. Head over to the website editor on Framer, access your side project, and here in the website editor navigate to the given page. Next, left click into the given text box, or you may navigate to the layers tab and select the text layer from there, or you may insert a new text by selecting the text tool at the top, or use the shortcut T, position it here, like this, and then enter the text like 456 and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is highlight the text, and here to the right, guys, what you want to do is navigate to the text panel. You may expand it by clicking into that plus button here, and for example access the fill color and so on and so forth. Now what we want to do, guys, is navigate to the font color and to the font style. So you can change the color below, the weight, and here change the font style. So that's the current font style. You can go with any of these. If you hover your mouse over it, you don't need to click into it. Hovering your mouse over it suffices. So you will see the preview. So click into the given one you would like to use. I will go with this one for the sake of this tutorial, and let me also change the color also for the sake of this tutorial to green. Remove the transparency here, and that's how you change the font style or font in general for text boxes on Framer. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.